Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix has established itself as one of the top brands in the world of pickleball, and the Graphite Z5 paddle is widely regarded as their flagship model. This paddle is particularly popular among beginners and intermediate players, thanks to its graphite face and generous surface area. These features create a large sweet spot, making it easier to hit consistent shots even when the game is moving at a fast pace. The combination of control and forgiveness helps players develop their skills without feeling penalized for off-center hits. Weighing in at 8.2 ounces, the Z5 offers a balanced feel that works well for those still exploring their preferred paddle weight. Its handle is designed with a grippy texture similar to a tennis racket, and the padding adds comfort during long sessions, reducing hand fatigue and strain. When we tested the Graphite Z5, we found it exceptionally well balanced, allowing for smooth swings and precise placement. The Onix honeycomb core gives the paddle enough pop to deliver powerful returns while maintaining control over your shots. For added durability, a protective edge lining safeguards the paddle against chips and cracks, which is a thoughtful touch for players who might accidentally drop it during play. At just under $100, the Graphite Z5 offers excellent value, combining the benefits of a high-quality graphite paddle with accessibility for new players. Whether you are just starting out or aiming to compete in local tournaments, the Z5 is versatile enough to grow with your game. Its solid construction, comfort, and performance make it a reliable choice for pickleball enthusiasts at any level. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass paddles are known for offering excellent control, although they typically don't deliver the same power as graphite paddles. The main advantage of choosing a fiberglass paddle is cost. These paddles are generally more affordable while still providing solid performance on the court. Among the options we've tested, the Head Radical Elite stands out as our top fiberglass paddle. Its lightweight design, sturdy construction, and well-balanced performance make it a versatile choice for players of all skill levels. This paddle excels in long rallies in situations where precision is more important than raw power. The composite hitting surface absorbs impact and produces a soft, responsive feel, allowing for greater control over ball placement and returns. While the Radical Elite is only available in orange or yellow, its performance more than makes up for the limited color selection. During our hands-on testing, we appreciated how much quality and functionality are packed into a paddle priced at just $70. Making it a great value. Another notable feature is the longer grip, which gives players the ability to execute two-handed backhands comfortably, a feature not common on all paddles. While you can compete effectively with the Radical Elite, more advanced players seeking extra power may eventually consider upgrading to a graphite model. For beginners and those prioritizing control and accuracy, however, this paddle is hard to beat. Its combination of comfort, durability, and value makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their game without breaking the bank. Weight, 8.1 ounces. Dimensions, 9 by 16 inches. Grip circumference, 4.16 inches. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. For players who want a simple and convenient way to enjoy pickleball with a partner, the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack is an excellent choice. Designed by one of the top brands in the sport, this pack comes complete with 2 high-quality paddles, for balls, and a carrying bag, making it ideal for casual play or getting started without having to buy equipment separately. The paddles included in this set aren't just entry-level, they feature premium materials and thoughtful design elements that help beginners get the most out of their game. Each paddle has a polymer honeycomb core that reduces impact on your hands and wrists, making it comfortable to play for extended periods. The G4 Control graphic surface incorporates Selkirk's SpinFlex technology, which provides a textured face to help beginners place the ball more accurately and generate spin when needed. This means you can focus on developing your skills and strategy rather than struggling with control. The grips are cushioned and sweat-resistant, which helps prevent slipping or accidental drops, giving players confidence during fast exchanges. Weighing in at just 7.5 ounces, these paddles are lightweight enough for nearly all players to handle easily, allowing for smooth swings and effortless maneuvering at the net or baseline. The overall design balances performance and comfort, making it an excellent starter set for recreational play or for players who want a ready-to-go kit for doubles matches. Weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 4. Joola Essentials Paddle. Austin, Texas-based Recess has built a strong reputation for producing stylish and high-quality pickleball gear and apparel, and the Vista Pickleball paddle is one of the brand's standout models. Popular among both beginners and casual players, the Vista paddle comes in nearly 40 different colorways, ranging from timeless classic patterns to unique, limited edition designs. This wide variety allows players to choose a paddle that fits their personal style, helping them stand out on the court while enjoying reliable performance. The Vista paddle is designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. Its sanded texture surface provides excellent spin control, making it easier to place the ball where you want it during rallies. The honeycomb cord delivers standard power, striking a balance between control and force that's ideal for players learning the game. Additionally, every paddle comes with a protective edgeguard to reduce the risk of chips or cracks, along with a branded canvas cover for safe storage and transport. Weighing 7.5 ounces, the Vista paddle is lightweight enough for most players to handle comfortably, whether you're playing singles or doubles. The grip is also thoughtfully designed, providing comfort and stability during longer sessions. Overall, the Vista paddle combines visual appeal with functional features, making it a great option for players who want to learn the game without sacrificing style. With its vibrant designs, reliable materials, and user-friendly performance, this paddle is a solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy pickleball in both comfort and confidence. Weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. Joola is a well-respected name in pickleball, known for producing paddles that suit players at all levels, and the Joola Essentials paddle is an excellent entry point for beginners aiming to grow their skills. While it isn't the brand's most advanced model, it offers features that make learning the game easier and more enjoyable. The paddle's large sweet spot allows players to make consistent contact with the ball, and the soft touch ensures that each shot feels controlled, helping new players refine their technique without being frustrated by off-center hits. The grip is thoughtfully designed with perforations that provide breathability, keeping your hand comfortable during long rallies. This design also helps maintain a secure hold on the paddle, reducing the risk of slipping during fast-paced exchanges. What makes the Essentials paddle even more appealing is its collaboration with Ben Johns, a professional pickleball player in the Professional Pickleball Association, PPA. His input ensures the paddle is beginner-friendly while still incorporating design elements that allow room for improvement, making it suitable for players who plan to advance their game over time. As players progress, the Essentials paddle can serve as a stepping stone toward Joola's higher-end models, such as the official Joola Ben Johns CFS tournament paddle, which offers additional power, control, and spin for competitive play. Lightweight at 8.2 ounces, the paddle is comfortable to swing and maneuver, allowing beginners to focus on learning shots and positioning without strain. Overall, the Joola Essentials paddle is a reliable, well-balanced choice for those starting their pickleball journey. Weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.9 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4 inches.